Hello guys, this is Patrick from Guangzhou Superseed Machinery. So today I would like to introduce the hot filling, the hot liquid filling and packaging lines. So behind me is our hot liquid filling and packaging lines. Obviously, the first machine is the filling machines, and it contains of the box automatically drop into the mold and then fill the liquid into the tray, and then use the roll fill to seal the package and then put out. Okay, so now let me to introduce the details for you. So cameras follow me. You can see here is the number one. The first step, you put your package on we customize the plan according to the size of your package. Okay, so first you put your package, and then it will automatically drop the package on the customized mold. So you see our package is perfectly match the mold of our machine. Automatically drop into the mold and then transfer one by one. And here is our hot filling machines. You put your hot filling liquids on the container, on the hoppers, and then transfer from the channels to the filling heads to fill into your tray. Okay, after your tray is filled with the material, then we can go to the next step, the roll fill. To seal the cover of the tray, okay, with the hot shrink, the hot sealing, to press the roll fill to really sticky on the tray, and then come to the next step. For outcoming, the suction will suck the tray and then lift it up, go to the conveyor, and then drop into the box. Okay, we put in the final box, and then the tray one by one, put into the box. Okay, so let's come to see more details. Okay, so when the tray is finished products outcome, okay, then here the box will to come here, the suction to suck the box. You suck the tray, and here you see we have the boxing machines. You put your box here, and then the machines automatically to boxing. Then come to here, the four side suction will open the box. The purpose is to let the tray perfectly drop into the boxing. Okay, so when the box is open, it comes to the channel right here, two box right here, and then the two sections will suck the tray and then come here to load it, to put the tray into the box one by one. And here this part actually is connecting with the lines, so we have the limited space, and then the box come to here, automatically seal, then the whole product is finished. And actually I have the testing video. If you are interested, I will send you a really detailed testing video for your reference. Okay, thanks for watching.